MPK Hobby RC.
Not suitable for humans under the age of 14.
Hey guys, I am MPK and this is my RC hobby. So this is just going to be a quick little short little video taking a look at the capabilities of this little Siku tractor. One of my subscribers, Mr. Evil Within, let me know that he bought himself one of these little rigs. And well, I just thought I'd make a quick little video about the capabilities. And I do know that he loves himself some wheel loaders. So I was thinking I could maybe make a little video for him showing that it could be very easy to do a modification. The main arm is with this controller here. It's pretty sensitive. And the bucket, normally there would be a bucket there, is controlled here with that. There's not a lot of play here. So, I don't know, I was thinking, because the bucket is basically just this motion. And I reckon this servo has enough play just to give you that motion. So, that servo is... The bucket is operated with just like a metal stick, a metal arm that connects and goes down to here to this linkage here. So I think that could be very easy to be built into this bit. Maybe having that metal thing sticking out here somewhere, just giving you the downward motion. And the main arm obviously put somewhere on this side so that, yeah, it could go in there. As for steering goes, you could do your own thing pretty easily. I mean, these models are plastic normally, so pretty light. I was thinking a servo in here with just like a couple of, basically replace these and put the servo in there. So one direction, yeah. Pretty simple. And as for motors go, you can get these on eBay. And yeah, they're pretty much, I mean, in the back it'd be pretty easy, but there's not much space in there. I don't know, maybe just have it like, because this is all-wheel driven, I think. Nah, just rear driven. And that's a size comparison. Obviously the wheel loader should be a lot bigger, but that's what you can get. So what do you think, Evil? Did that help you out a little bit? I mean, obviously yours is in the mail, so it's gonna come any one of these days. So you can decide what you're gonna do with yours, obviously. But yeah, thought I'd make this little video. Quick little video for you, man. Thanks for all your comments, and I guess I'll speak to you in the comments. Cool. Bye.